What have we here? That's right, guys, our 500 subscriber giveaway contest, decorated by Mrs. Lou and Daughter Lou, or something like that. So first up, we have the outside the waistband carry from Warriorland. This is for the standard P365. And we wanted to include the outside the waistband carry because you guys do exist out there and we love you too. Next, we have the inside the waistband carry for the standard P365. This one comes with the mod wing attachment, or claw if you will, and it's optics ready as well for you guys that like to rock those red dots. This is for the P365 XL. This one also comes with a mod wing attachment. It's also optics cut, and this one is lined with leather. This one's very nice. I like this one. Next up, we have another P365 XL holster. This one is clear, and you can see it as well. It has the optics cut in it. And then we have this one. This is actually a holster for the P365 with 150 lumen light. This, on the other hand, probably will be held over for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but that's also something that you guys can look forward to. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. I don't have any of those models, so what do I need those holsters for? Never fear, I have something for you too. This is a killer little blade from the Roxxon company. So this is my personal blade. You can see Roxxon. You can take this off and you can have different blades. There's like, I don't know, 12, 15 different blades they have that you can buy, and each kit comes with about 3. One-handed operation, as you can see, very smooth. And these scissors, man, will cut through just about anything you put in it. So just in case you can't use any of those holsters, you can win this knife as well. So what's the requirements to enter into this giveaway? Well, first and foremost, you have to be a subscriber. And secondly, you got to like this video. And third, you have to leave a comment. Those 3 criteria must be met. Even if you like the video and leave a comment, if you're not subscribed, your entry will be null and void. We'll have to verify that you are a subscriber before we officially declare the winner. Once we get to 500, we'll have a live stream and we will pick someone from those comments, and that person will walk away with one of these prizes. If you're outside the US, that may get a little more complicated. I'm not sure how we'll work that out right now, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So with that, guys, we appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care and God bless.